Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some yarny goodness. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome and thank you for everyone for stopping by and checking out what today's video is. Well, I'm excited to get to do this video because I want to share the easy pocket shawl crochet tutorial that I have coming up. It'll be in another video, but I just wanted to show it off to you in this video to show you what it's like. And I also have this hat. This is the Canyon hat pattern that I created using the hag stitch. There you go. I got it out. Okay, so with that hag stitch, here it is. There's my pattern. I have a tutorial on this, and I also sell the pattern for $1.99. I'll leave it in the description box. The pattern tutorial is free. I used, I think on this one, let me see, I used an eye hook. Yeah, I used a 6.0 millimeter hook for this hat right here. And for the yarn, I used the Touch of Alpaca in Crimson. And it's a medium 4 weight. So that's what I used for this. Okay, now for the pocket shawl, I'm so excited. And I thank each and every one of you that were out there that have agreed to test this pattern and show it off. And I just thank each and every one of you for the compliments and for the words of encouragement that I have been receiving from you guys. I really, truly appreciate that. And you took your time out to make this shawl, and that really means a lot to me. So, and I look forward to seeing y'all's videos and pictures and how y'all's turned out and what colors you chose and, you know, all that good stuff. So anyway, so on this shawl, pocket shawl, I used, you know, this yarn. I used about 1,100 yards of it, and I used 2 of these plus part of another one, and these that I bought happen to be 415 yards in it. It's Touch of Alpaca, medium 4 weight. I think it's 90% acrylic and 10% alpaca. Let's see, where is that? Yeah, 90% acrylic and 10% alpaca. And so it takes about 1,100 yards for that. And for this pattern, I used a K-hook, not those big old hooks that a lot of people use. I used a K-hook, guys, to accomplish what I wanted accomplished. The K-hook, the H and the K-hook are 2 of my favorite hook sizes, but there's the pattern. The written part is going to be available for $1.99, and the tutorial is free. So I guess I can show that to you kind of up close. But you'll have your edging, your body, and then the edging down here. And then for the pockets, here we go. And I like these little peekaboo windows that I made. And then there's your fringe. Very simple, easy to do. Let's see if I can get back. And I thought it went pretty fast. Let's see, I'm 5'3", and with this pattern, it's just above my knee. Yes, it's just above my knee. The fringe is kind of goes below my knee. And so yeah, so I put the instructions on there, like what you need, how many stitches you need to add to it to make it longer if need to. So, and then here's the back side. So there we go. I'm very excited about this, and I can't wait. My daughter's already got me making some more. I'm going to make a gold one in this right here. It's gonna be so pretty. Yeah, so that is all that I had for this video. I just wanted to show off the pocket shawl pattern that I have, and to tell everyone thank you for making this and for the encouragement that I have been receiving from you guys. I appreciate that. I will end up making another video probably in about a week, and I will you know, give everyone an official thank you with your names. I didn't want to do that in this video because it's too soon, but I would like to give you guys a shout out for helping me because, you know, you just stop what you're doing and to do that, and that's a lot. That means a lot. So anyway, so I just want to say thank you to everybody, and I hope you guys all enjoy this pocket shawl tutorial. I really tried to make it easy, and I tried to give it where there's personality to it, that you wouldn't be ashamed to wear it because it's got texture and it's got a little personality to it. So yeah, so thank you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye. This is the hag stitch pattern that the hag stitch hat. I'll get it right in just a minute. Okay, this is the hag stitch, the canyon hat pattern that I have. Still don't have it right. Okay,